Hi, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Tish's 2-Minute Tips. I'm Tisha Dodge. I'm a lawyer and a social entrepreneur. And when we work together, we make this world a better place. Today, we're talking about a new law for all employers in the state of Texas, which extends sexual harassment liability not only to your company, but also potentially to individual owners, managers, supervisors, contractors, HR representatives, and others. This law is effective September 1st, 2021. 5 things you want to know about this new law. Number 1, this law creates 4 specific definitions for what sexual harassment is. This changes the state of our current law. 2, this new law applies to all employers that have at least 1 employee. 3, this new law also makes individuals potentially liable for sexual harassment acts. This extends sexual harassment liability not only to your company, but potentially to individual owners, managers, supervisors, contractors, HR representatives, and others. That's also a really big change in the law. 4th, it expands the statute of limitations, which is basically the deadline to file a claim from 180 days to 300 days. And 5, it creates a new legal standards for the employer's response to sexual harassment complaints. Specifically, it says an employer commits an unlawful employment practice if sexual harassment of an employee occurs and the employer or employer's agents or supervisors know or should have known that the conduct constituting sexual harassment was occurring and they fail to take immediate and appropriate corrective action. So how should you comply with this new law? First, I would suggest adopting a sexual harassment policy that's compliant with this new law. Remember, this new law actually changes the definitions of what sexual harassment is, as well as some other key terms. So you want to update your policy. If you need a sexual harassment policy or you need to update your sexual harassment policy, then click below to get more information. Number 2, your anti-sexual harassment policy should have reporting procedures to immediately investigate and take appropriate action, because under the new law, you can be liable if you fail to take immediate and appropriate corrective action. 3rd, I would also suggest implementing mandatory training for your staff, because remember, now they can be potentially personally liable for acts of sexual harassment. If you need any training, please feel free to contact us for more information. And 4th, check your record keeping policies, because they may need to be changed due to the change in the statute of limitation. And then 5th, which is optional, you might want to visit with your insurance broker on employment practices liability insurance, or determine if there's another insurance product that you have that could protect you and your company against sexual harassment claims. I know this may seem a lot, but it is very doable to implement these things so you can avoid liability for your business, yourself, and your supervisors. I hope you found this thought-provoking and helpful. Click below if you'd like more information or simply contact us. Talk to you soon. Thanks.